Due to 2 days of continuous torrential rainfall, the water level of the Howrah River has dangerously surged. Hotels and shops along the riverbank are already waterlogged. The sub-divisional administration has issued orders to evacuate residents of slum areas to safer locations.
Relentless downpour over the past 2 days has caused the Howrah River to swell significantly. The river is fast approaching danger levels. The situation of hotels and shops near the river is extremely alarming. The sub-divisional administration has already directed slum dwellers to move to safe shelters. There is growing concern that if it continues to rain over the next 2 days, the river may exceed its holding capacity, potentially leading to a flood. The monsoon has just begun in the state, and with such heavy rainfall from the start, flood warnings cannot be ruled out. Due to the continuous downpour, all the Agartala city's drainage systems are channeling water into the Howrah River. Meanwhile, rainfall is also occurring in the hills, adding to the river's volume. Naturally, the water level is rising steadily. If this pattern of rainfall continues in the coming days, a flood threat becomes imminent. According to the meteorological department, heavy rainfall is expected to persist for the next few days. The sky will remain overcast. Meanwhile, due to the continuous rainfall over the last 2 days, roads in the capital have turned muddy and waterlogged with overflowing drains. Water has entered many homes and many residents are unable to leave their houses. Several roads in the smart city area are submerged, making it difficult for people and vehicles to move. However, with flood pump machines operated by the municipal corporation, running water levels have started to recede slightly.
ডিজাস্টার ম্যানেজমেন্টের যারা অফিসাররা আছে তাদের সাথে আমি অলরেডি কথা হয়েছে ওদের সাথে, এবং এর মধ্যেই আমি আজকে কালকে একটা মিটিংও ডাকবো। এমনিতে মানে টেলিফোনিক্যালি প্লাস ইন প্রেজেন্স তাদেরকে ডেকেছিলাম, ওনাদেরকে বলেছি সব দিকে যেন নজর রাখে এবং সেইভাবে ওনারা কাজ করছেন।
যেসব পরিবারগুলো ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হবে তাদের পক্ষে কি সরকার কতটুকু সাহায্য
যখন হবে তখন, এখন আগের বাড়িয়ে কি করে বলবো যে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হবে, সেটা আমরা গত বছরও আমরা সেইভাবে আমরা তার ব্যবস্থা নিয়েছি। যদি এরকম ঘটনা হয় নিশ্চয়ই আমরা সেই ব্যবস্থা নেব।
Right at the beginning of the monsoon, the meteorological department has issued a red alert across the state for the next 3 days due to heavy rainfall. Bureau report, Fact Finder.